Okay, now let's discuss some highest and the lowest points of the world. The highest point of the continent South America, the highest point of South America is Aconcagua, which is basically the highest peak of Andes mountain range, जो कि exactly आपके चिली में है, and it makes a natural border between Chile and Argentina. Well, the lowest point of the continent South America is Valdes Peninsula. It's Valdes Peninsula, which is the lowest point. Well, the highest point of the continent North America is Mount McKinley, and the lowest point of this continent is Death Valley. Well, the highest point of Antarctica is Vinson Massif. Um, it's Vinson Massif, which is the highest point of Antarctica, and the lowest point of Antarctica is Deep Lake. Now, the highest point of Africa is Mount Kilimanjaro, which is in Tanzania, and the lowest point of Africa is Lake Assal, which is in Djibouti. और आपको पता होगा कि जो वर्ल्ड टॉप इकोनॉमीज़ हैं लाइक अमेरिका, चाइना, जापान, इटली, फ्रांस, इनके नेवल बेसिस भी जिबूती में हैं. And now let's come towards Europe. So the highest point is Mount Elbrus and the lowest point is Caspian Sea of Europe. Now Mount Everest is the highest point of Asia and of the world as well. And the lowest point of Asia is Dead Sea, which is between Jordan and Israel. So these were the highest and the lowest points of the continent of the world. So this was basically a technique to prepare number of, or you can see the chain of MCQs in a single go. So thank you.